SQL Power Suite is the most robust and compelling regulatory solution on the market, delivering the ultimate in regulator flexibility, self-sufficiency, efficiency, and transparency, increasing the likelihood of timely, successful intervention while providing all interested parties with the ultimate confidence in the regulated market. Built for progressive regulators across the globe, SQL Power's Integration Hub gives supervisors the ability to consolidate all collected data from various sources and legacy systems into one centralized web portal, effectively eliminating the need to retool your existing systems along with expensive data migration while still having access to all historic data. The Integration Hub also gives financial supervisors the ability to support ongoing monitoring of regulated entities by extracting critical data directly from your supervised institution's backend systems using a data pulling approach, firing real-time alerts whenever key events are detected anywhere within your regulatory environment.
In this demo, we want to show you various use cases for SQL Power's Integration Hub facility. The first use case involves populating financial submission data from a legacy system into a form in the SQL Power system to allow for all relevant financial data, past or present, to be available in one location. To start, we will show you how the user will set up this feature in our Designer facility. On the screen, you will see the financial return we will be populating via our Integration Hub feature. In the center of the screen is the form that we created in our tool, and to the right is our Queries menu. Here, we can select a database that is linked to our Designer facility and use it to populate the fields within the form. As you can see, we have added a query in the SQL box, and if the query is valid, it will show all the relevant columns as part of the query. We can then map these columns to the fields in the form by dragging and dropping them into the necessary fields. Once the mapping in our Designer facility is complete, we will publish and complete our submission in our web portal. We can set up our Integration Hub feature to automatically submit the form based on a reporting window that was created, or we can choose to manually submit the data as necessary. For this example, we will manually submit the data. We will now navigate to the Filings page and find the financial return that we mapped with our Integration Hub feature. As you can see, when we open the form, the fields we mapped are populated, and we can simply validate and submit the form to ensure the data is now available in our system. In our final use case, the Integration Hub can be used to onboard organizations from a legacy system into our system. By extracting the relevant information from the legacy system, we can configure a process to initially onboard organizations into our system and subsequently create any organizations that may be missing. By taking a look at our Designer facility, we can see a simple form requiring a bit of information about the organization that can be extracted from the legacy system. In the Queries menu, we can see the query written against the legacy system database that is extracting the necessary information about the organizations. This form can be submitted periodically, daily, weekly, or monthly, or can be submitted on demand as needed. We will manually submit the form in this example. After logging into the system, we will navigate to the New Request page. From here, we will find the organization onboarding form that we will submit. As you can see, when the form opens, the information for the organizations are populated, and we can immediately submit the form. Once the form is submitted, we can log in as an administrator to confirm whether organizations have been created.
Contact our expert team today and find out how the Integration Hub can streamline and unify all of your internal and external regulatory processes.